Welcome to our online shopping platform, Ambica One, your one-stop destination for online stainless steel long products and wires products. In order to get started, you need to register an account with us. Let's walk you through the simple registration process. Browse to Ambica One. On the home page, click on the Register Now button. Select your country. A registration form will appear. Please fill all the requested information on the form. Once you've completed filling in the details, click on the Register button to submit your registration form. After successful registration, our team will verify the given details, and after successful verification, you will receive an email with your login credentials within a working day. Once you have your login credentials, you can reset your password. You can now log in to Ambica One using your username password, or simply by generating an OTP via your registered mobile number. Happy steel shopping on Ambica One.